Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And I'm still not 100% sure I'm helping. But when he draws it the way he draws it, and then they don't line up. And I don't really, he's doing this for a guitar, which is unbelievable work. But I'm just going to kind of go through what he kind of told me he did. So he drew a circle that is 135. And then he made one that was 125 millimeters. So I'm going to move that one out of the way, and I'm going to select them both, and I'm going to make them a 10 millimeter line. And then I'm going to go to Object and convert the outlines to an object, and I'm going to left click, right click. For the video, I'm going to make this one blue or red, and make this one red. And if you look, if we nudge them over, they intersect perfectly. They're overlapping. So I don't know what angles he's doing, but we're going to take a 2-point line. Now I am working in the center of the page. So I'm going to hit P and put that in the center of the page. Well, I have to put my circle in the center of the page. And then let me move this out of the way. I might not be helping this. I'm going to take, just for the video, I'm going to take and cut off the lines. And then I'm going to Control D that line. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now, if I Control D again, it'll do it. So I'm just going to hit the plus key on the keyboard. And I'm going to rotate this one 135. Now I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and that in. And I'm going to nudge this over twice. And now I'm going to take my circle and get it out of the way. And I'm going to hit P and put this in the center of the page. But then I'm going to rotate this line. And I don't know the degree, so I'm just going to rotate it a little bit. So that's going to change this one and this one. And then we'll rotate this line. I'm double clicking so I get my rotation. So now I'm going to fill in this with red. And I'm going to do this one and see how it overlaps and works. I'm going to fill in that one. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it over there. And this one. Now, I don't know how he's cutting these segments, but if we nudge these back twice, put them back in the center of the page, they line up. He says when they do that, they don't line up. Let's move the blue out of the way. And let's go ahead and group them together. You can see down there we have 3 objects. And we'll group these together. And we have 3 objects. Then if we move these back, they're like they should be. Now, some of these, the blue ones are in the back. So let's take the blue ones and take away the fill and add an outline. And to do those other pieces, now I would take, let's use a different color. Let's use green. That's going to be as part of his segment, much like this. And of course, I don't know the degree where this is overlapping. So I don't know what else to tell him. Like this one is just a straight overlap. This one's going to have a little bit of a notch, just like, kind of like that would have. But he's consistently saying that it doesn't work. But now that he's going to have to engrave these on the guitar itself. So let's move these out of the way, and let's put these both back. So I'm going to make it. That's going to be our I did Control D and make a duplicate. Move that over. This is going to be your inlay. Okay. And then to take all this out, maybe the easiest thing to do would be able to, I'm just kind of guessing, would be let's do this. Let's take a square rectangle. Let's take the Smart Fill tool, set on something else. Let's use that blue. So there's his pockets. So if we make that one blue and nudge it up, whoop, don't need that. That's going to be his pockets for his inlay in the guitar. Let me move these out of the way. And if we group these together, they're going to cover up. So that's his a total inlay. That's what he's going to engrave. And of course, I'd make it black just for an engraver. So that's going to be his inlay. And then this is going to be the two pieces. I'm hoping I'm helping. I'm not sure. He'll let me know later. And this isn't going to help too many people, but this is quite outstanding work. And I don't know about the lines, if that's an inlay and the little diamonds, but that could be added easy enough. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.